Everybody is looking for ways to save the planet. But do we really know what's at stake? Our home is disappearing right before our eyes. Forests are being chopped down, rivers are polluted, and animals are losing their homes. Each time we destroy a part of nature, we lose something we can never get back. Clean air, fresh water, and the beauty that makes Earth special. It's not just about trees and animals. It's about our future, too. The good news? Every small action counts. Plant a tree, pick up trash, use less plastic. These simple steps help heal our planet. Don't wait for someone else to save nature. We all have the power to make a difference. Let's protect our world before it's too late.